How to create Gemini image. Google Gemini and click on the first link. Next step is chat with Gemini. Make sure you read how they process your data with this model because you're probably going to upload your images. Click on Use Gemini. Dismiss this window so you get more space. Next, click on Tools and choose this banana icon called Create Image. Now I'm going to try a simple prompt and let's see what happens. Okay, it seems like a classic AI photo. Let's change it a little bit. Let's put her outside, create some snow, and she finds out alone that she won the lottery. That's better. Too polished, in my opinion, but that's classic AI if you write a simple prompt. Let's try my photo now. Simply grab your photo and paste it here like this. So I normally wear glasses and don't have a beard. Let's edit and see what happens. That was quick, not bad at all. Now let's remove my smile from this image. Let's go outside and make it raining, like here in my country right now. Alright, not bad, but as you can see the position in the photo is kind of ridiculous. It all depends on what photo you choose, of course. I recommend having fun with prompting and finding your unique style. For simple edits, it works well. Stay safe, don't upload sensitive data, and have fun.